Effective newborn baby care tips. 1. Feeding. It's essential to feed your newborn every 2 to 3 hours, whether you're breastfeeding or using formula. If you are using formula, make sure the bottle is slow and full to prevent gassiness. 2. Burping. After each feeding, don't forget to burp your baby. Gently hold her against your chest with one arm, with her chin resting on your shoulder, and pat her back very gently with the other hand until she barks. 3. Holding your newborn. When holding your newborn, provide proper neck support by cradling the head with one hand and supporting the bottom with the other. Keep them close to your chest for warmth and comfort. 4. Umbilical cord stamp care. Be gentle when caring for the umbilical cord stump. Clean it with a cotton ball and warm water during diaper changes. Ensure it stays dry and watch for any signs of infection, like redness or discharge. 5. Diapering basics. Change the diaper frequently as soon as it feels full. Make sure to keep everything you need within arm's reach. Wipe gently from front to back for girls and clean thoroughly for boys to prevent diaper rash. 6. Bathing a newborn. During bath time, use a mild baby soap and warm water. Support your baby's head and neck, and use a soft washcloth. Keep baths short and sweet, and never leave your baby unattended in the water. 7. Baby massage. Massaging your baby can be soothing. Use baby-safe oil and gentle strokes, starting from the head and moving down to the toes. It's a great bonding experience and can help with relaxation. 8. Safe handling. Finally, always ensure safety when handling your newborn. Wash your hands often, trim their nails carefully, and be cautious when passing your baby to others. Prioritize their well-being. There you have it, 8 essential newborn baby care tips that every new parent should know. Remember, parenting is a learning journey, and you're doing an amazing job. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting advice. Thanks for tuning in to Parenting Pulse, and we'll see you next time.